So I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to install this mod on the C8 Corvette. All you gotta do is just take off all the backings here, and this is not going as smooth as I wanted it to. You know what? And there you have it. It's installed. I'll edit that later. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Today we're going to be looking at the carbon fiber rear deck lid camera cover that you can get for your C8 Corvette. And also it fits the Z06 and E-Ray because it's one of those universal pieces. Now this comes from Extreme Online Store, which boasts some of the most competitive prices out there on the market when it comes to carbon fiber, while still providing pretty good quality. So with that being said, let's go check out what's in this box. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Opening up from the box, just got your normal packaging. Just got some foam padding in here, and taking it out, it's just a very quick, easy little piece right here. So we can fail at trying to open this because I still need to cut more into this box, and also being careful not to actually cut into the carbon fiber itself. Pulling this out, and let's take a look at this. Oh, I lied. There's still more. There's still more packaging. I always think that I'm near the end, and then I realize I'm not. So here we go. Now we're at the end. So taking a look at this piece, I mean, yeah, this is great quality in regards to what you're getting. In regards to, this is true carbon fiber, so this isn't just a carbon fiber overlay with some fiberglass underneath. If you look at behind, if you look on the other side, you see all the different carbon fiber piece on this. So this is an overlay, so this is going to sit on top of your original rear deck lid camera. And honestly, it's one of those things where it makes it a very quick and easy install to do. This takes 2 seconds to put on. All you got to do is just clean the surface of the area, take off all these different backings, and then just kind of put it on. And you're done. So it's really easy to do that, especially if you're a novice when it comes to putting these installs, but you want to kind of put it on yourself. This is a very easy piece to put on, and it gives a very unique look on your C8 Corvette. So I'm very much liking the contours on this. It looks really well done. The finish is very nice. I don't see any kind of runoffs in regards to any bad finishes of the clear coat on here. It all looks exactly how you would hope so for this piece. So it's really nice looking. So this part fits the coupe C8 Corvette, not the convertible version. So just keep in mind, there is a separate one out there strictly just for the convertible version. If you're interested, that you can also order for your C8. So, but this is for the coupe version, the one that has just a general hard top that you have to take off by hand. It is actually really nice that they already have all the 3M double-sided tape already pre-installed on this piece, so there's no guesswork to it. You literally just take off all the backings and just put it on after you clean the actual spot, of course, and you're pretty much good to go. So I don't expect any kind of issues with this, and in regards to applying this, I am very curious on the fitting to see exactly how it fits, since it is a cover and you do have the hole in the center for the actual camera. So I am a little curious on how that's going to look, and I don't expect to have any kind of problems. And we'll also take a look at the rear camera in regards to seeing if there's any kind of obstruction, which I don't expect. So it should fit on perfectly as it's supposed to. Now this piece retails for $359.99 from Extreme Online Store. which is a pretty good deal. I mean, for what you're getting, this is a full-on carbon fiber piece, so I do believe that this is well worth the money, especially if you're looking to add extra carbon fiber pieces that are not necessarily replacing the black trim pieces that you have, but you like just an extra little bit of carbon fiber. This is a great starting point to do that. That's pretty easy to put on and you're done. So I will say again, as I've said for all my different carbon fiber pieces, I would highly recommend ceramic coating these pieces so that it prevents yellowing as these parts sit out in the sun. So this part is going to be ceramic coated just like all my other carbon fiber pieces. And if you're wondering what kind of ceramic coat, I use Adam's graphene ceramic coating. That's my go-to. I'm not sponsored by them. It's just my personal preference, and works really, really well. So overall, I think this is a really good product. I definitely think it's gonna hold up very well, especially after some ceramic coating putting on this. So yeah, I think it's time to get this part ready and put it on the car, and we'll show you how easy it is. It's super easy to put this on, and yeah, go from there. So we'll talk in a few. Alrighty guys, so we have installed this rear Decklid carbon fiber cover. Say that 5 times fast. Okay, anywho, so we've installed this Decklid cover on the C8 Corvette and it's looking pretty good. Now I did need to adjust my rear camera mirror to be able to get a little bit of the obstruction on the bottom side of the mirror, which honestly is not as big of a deal. If you have it straight on instead of how I had it in my previous settings, it works perfectly fine. So, but something to kind of keep in mind. But I will say it did make quite a difference going with putting that vinyl overlay on the edges of the deck lid, just to make sure that everything comes out looking good. So it did make quite the difference, in my opinion. Again, you can install without it, you wouldn't really see it if you have a darker color C8, but if you have a brighter color, you might be able to see that, and it might distract from just the overall final finish that you want. So something to keep in mind. But for the price and what you're getting, I think it's a great little piece. I definitely would recommend getting one for yourself, and yeah, go from there. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos, and we'll see you next time.